Nowadays, the financial world is very flexible. It is very easy to get money whenever you need it. The hitch is that you might not get the money immediately. Traditionally, natural world takes its decisions very slowly. You have to wait for a while if you wish to avail of the traditional loan. What do people do when they need cash for an emergency? What does one do if a family member is admitted to the hospital unexpectedly? How does one raise money to face such situations? Do not worry. Help is at hand. Payday loans are the best option when you need emergency cash. Not many people are familiar with these advance loans which bail you out in times of crisis. Traditional loans take weeks of processing after you apply for them, while advance loans will help you in a few minutes to be processed. You will get the money the same day when you apply for it. This helps you to take care of urgent situations that might crop up in your life unexpectedly. Everybody faces such situations in life regularly. Payday loans are easily available to anyone in need of emergency cash. You will not get a traditional bank loan if your credit is bad. You might need the money promptly for an issue that cannot be ignored. You normally come across such situations between paychecks. Then it becomes very difficult to meet the requirement of extra cash. Advance loans are short-term loans which do not require much paperwork. You will just have to provide your account number and employment verification form as well as some references so that the loan company can confirm your capability to repay the loan. The process is not a cumbersome one and is ideal when one needs emergency cash.